Welcome to another home tour with the Hidden Homes Montana team. I'm Holly Naldrett, and today we are touring not one, but two of our newest listings located at 131 and 133 Looking Glass Avenue in Kalispell, Montana. These townhomes are being offered separately or together, creating multiple opportunities, such as an investment property, living in one while renting out the other, or to purchase with a family member and have your own completely separate living spaces. Speaking of multiple opportunities, check out the opportunity to live directly across from the beautiful neighborhood park, giving you ample space to enjoy without the hassle of maintenance. These properties also back up to the paved path along a grassy meadow located directly behind the back fence with a gate for easy access to take advantage of the trail for morning strolls or evening bike rides. With open spaces bordering this property to the east and west, you'll never have to worry about additional neighbors. And before we head inside to tour these well-maintained homes, let's not forget the desirable location with close access to the Highway 93 bypass, Kalispell's prime shopping hub, entertaining, and plenty of dining options. Without further ado, let's go check out the inside. Each townhome boasts 1,260 square feet, 2 nicely sized bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. As you enter, you'll quickly notice the open concept floor plan with 9-foot ceilings and inset lighting that create a bright, spacious, and welcoming space. The living room comes complete with a gas fireplace that offers ample heat to warm the home during the cold winter months for an added bonus on savings. The wired-in living room speakers are a perfect addition for full surround sound effect for music lovers or movie buffs. Enjoy entertaining from the well-designed kitchen with a living room facing sink, bar for additional seating with beautiful pendant lighting, tiled countertops, and new appliances. The primary suite offers a walk-in closet and an ensuite, featuring a walk-in tiled shower, making this bathroom go from good to great. Step out the sliding glass door to the fully fenced backyard to enjoy the Montana mountain views and beautifully landscaped perimeter with vibrant perennials for simple enjoyment year after year. These well cared for townhomes feature delightful curb appeal with flowers, creative rockwork, recently painted exterior, and truly show pride of ownership. With single level living, a double car attached garage, location, and the neighborhood park and walking path, these properties offer a multitude of features and opportunities. For an exclusive showing, please give myself or your real estate professional a call today. This is Holly Naldrett with Keller Williams Realty Northwest Montana and Hidden Homes Montana. We'll see you again soon.